guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? I'm sorry I'm late. I'm late. What's up? Welcome to my RV cribs. My name is Scott Smith. My friends call me Scooter. I want you to come check it out. You come, it's gonna be fun. We're gonna have a great time. Come on. So excited about having guests. Come on, come on, come on. This is the area. This is my family room, my living room, my entertaining room, my kitchen. This is where the parties happen. Great thing about these windows is I can get a view of whatever parking lot I choose. And as they once said, let there be lights. Plenty of seats for my boys. This thing right here, more seats underneath this. I had 13 people in this room for the Super Bowl. And right here, if I hang out here, which I do like to hang out here, if I hang out here too long, I get in the way to the bathroom. Very important part of this tour, come on, it's the bathroom. Come check it out. You've got a sink and a shower and a bathroom, and if you're really careful and smart, you can use them all at the same time. This is where I do a lot of my research. I like to call it the library. And by the way, we do have another bathroom. So if I'm in here for a long period of time, you don't have to wait. I have special rooms, my favorite rooms. Look at this. It's where the magic happens. And by magic, I mean sleep. You know, they say if the trailer's rocking, you better adjust the jacks. Beautiful view of whatever it is I get to look at today. I've got my clothes, my shoes. It's good to have options. I got an option right here for the bed. Look, it goes up like that. Yeah, in case of the gird. Yeah. We got the mini splits because you got to keep it cool. It's nice and hot. You know what I mean? Look, I can even stand up straight. Oh yeah. Oh, it's because there ain't no AC on the top, no air conditioning on the top, super tall. Look, sometimes when I'm dancing, I just like to do this. Okay, so most RVs have small kitchens, right? Not this, no, I got a kitchen. Fully stocked refrigerator, full size, name brand, GE. And we have, oh gosh, my chef up here with the microwave, my stove, and a dishwasher in an RV. Who would have ever thought of it? This kitchen's got it all. And this here's my room where I get to view all my other rooms. I have a nice little guest spot up here for one. You can see I'm important, very valuable. As a matter of fact, I am the top banana. You didn't know that, did you? This is my best friend's suite. See, I have a friend, his name is JP, and JP doesn't smell very good. So we put him out here. It's the garage. I've got a mini split so we can keep the temperature nice for my best friend JP. He can come out here. Look, we got a sink, keep his hands washed. This is for the doggy. The doggy stay here. And I got that other half bath. Here it is. Look at my other throne. Oh, you gotta give me a second because I actually do have to take a break. We'll come back after this. Whew, there's that good fan when you need it. That's a good thing we got windows, we got doors. And I'm telling you, I wished I used it for more, cool things like kayaks and motorcycles and stuff, but no, that's about it. But it's not only a garage. All right, now we got a screen porch. Smoke some cigars, play some cards, roll some dice, watch football, and sometimes when JP drinks too much, so after a long night of cards, And cigars. This is JP's bed. We can even get somebody up here as well. Let's head out to the back deck. Got a back deck, play some cornhole, watch the sunset. The back deck. I mean, think about it. You got yourself an RV. You're gonna be outside anyway, right? I've got myself my own personal back deck. This is living. Every crib has got like that centerpiece, you know, the creme de la creme, the big showpiece. I've got one of those. Check it out. See, some people have gray hoses. Some people have black hoses. Some people have hoses in different area codes. But I've got a gold hose. Look at this. And that concludes my cribs, man. I hope you enjoyed it. I now have to leave, but first I have to fly my helicopter off the roof of my house. And then we'll catch you next time.